get some warmth. Because it's freezing outside, isn't it, sweet? Body's all rugged up with feel. Oh, good girl. We're not riding today because it's shaking it down. Come in with your horsey. Yeah, hide your face. Right. Ronnie's like, first of all, hello. Good girl, so say hi. Yes, you're the best girl. No riding today, aren't we? No. I didn't record a lot after this because it was a bit chaotic. We were trying to separate the horses because we're separating the mares with their foals for the winter into a little shelter, like a field with a shelter. It didn't go very well, and then we went down with a cart and was trying to put some hay bales in there, and they all just started galloping around. So I'm just going to show you some videos. So I didn't get any of them like all galloping around, but as you can see in most of the videos that I got, it's just Connie being a bit crazy, because you know she is crazy. There, yeah. Around here at this time they're all starting to get a bit giddy, so I was trying to get behind some barbed wire. About around here, well, the horses got a little bit too close, like they started coming in, and Jolene, she came like right up, and I love her to absolute bits, but when she's giddy she has a really powerful kick, so didn't really, I just had to clap, and then she kind of just went away. But then again, Jolene was being a bit of a monkey, but got her away because we needed to get the car in. They had all the hay in that we just brought down there, and it got stuck in the mud quite a few times. So yeah, and then we had to hold Copper back, Megan's dog, and then all the horses were in the way. You can now listen to our conversation.
No way, especially Blondie and Simmy's just not even phased. She just like, this didn't go as smoothly as planned. No, it was so funny seeing Dad trying to get out of the boat, getting all frustrated. He was like, yeah.
They didn't go down there.
Well, they were fine out there.
We had to feed the rams, and Kelvin isn't used to people, so he's a bit still scared. We are going to do a riding dares and a meet all the horses with us soon when the weather gets a bit better, but from now on we're probably going to do some arena hire, so we'll be doing videos about that as well, and in a few weeks we'll probably be able to do riding dares, so if you could comment them then that would be great.